down over fake voters and cash for votes. Now a fresh war of words has exploded on farmer schemes between the BJP and the AAP. While the BJP accused the AAP of being blind to the plight of farmers of Delhi and not implementing the central welfare schemes for farmers in the capital, the Delhi CM has made a shocking analogy, saying that BJP speaking of farmer issues is like Dawood speaking on non-violence. Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan, criticizing the AAP government for not implementing the centre's schemes for the farm sector, wrote a letter to the Delhi CM stating that political competition should not become an obstacle to the welfare of farmers. The union minister also said that AAP has never made appropriate decisions in the interest of farmers in Delhi and told the party to rise above politics for the welfare of Delhi farmers. The Delhi CM, in response, rejected the charges. In a sensational attack, Atishi said, BJP talking about farmer welfare is same as Dawood talking about non-violence. In the same statement, she added that the condition of farmers is worse under the BJP regime and asked the PM to speak to the protesting farmers in Delhi.
ये तो अपना पल्ला झाड़ने वाली बात है। शिवराज सिंह चौहान जी से ऐसी उम्मीद नहीं थी। देश में आज किसान परेशान हैं क्योंकि मोदी जी ने वादा किया था कि 2020 तक किसान की आय दुगनी होगी। मोदी जी ने वादा किया था हरियाणा चुनाव से पहले कि 24 फसलों पे एमएसपी मिलेगी। ये सारे वादे धरे के धरे रह गए। आज वो किसानों के रास्ते में बड़े बड़े कीले ठोक देते हैं, उनको दिल्ली कूच नहीं करने देते हैं। किसान भी इस देश का नागरिक है। भाजपा को रिस्पॉन्सिबली एक्ट करना चाहिए, केंद्र सरकार का व्यवहार रखना चाहिए और देश के नागरिकों से बात करनी चाहिए।
Now, the BJP has slammed the comment made by Delhi CM, alleging that this is a bid to divert attention from the plight of Delhi farmers and that her family values have always been pro-terrorist. BJP also drew a parallel between Kejriwal and Dawood, saying that they are both the same. Kejriwal has also gone to jail and it is Kejriwal who's like Dawood.
बड़े अफसोस की बात है कि दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री किसानों के बारे में और दिल्ली के किसानों के बारे में, दिल्ली के किसान को किसान का दर्जा नहीं है नंबर 1। उसकी फसल अगर नष्ट होती है उसको दिल्ली की सरकार कुछ मुआवजा नहीं देती और दिल्ली के किसान को अपनी फसल बेचने के लिए कोई एमएसपी नहीं है। देखिए, बीजेपी को दाऊद कह रही है, उनके कहने से बीजेपी दाऊद बनने वाली नहीं है कि आज दिल्ली के अंदर सबसे बड़े दाऊद तो अरविंद केजरीवाल हैं।
आतिशी मार लेना जिस तरह से कह रही हैं तो ये दिखाता है कि वो जो संस्कार उनको बचपन से मिले हैं, जो उनके माता पिता ने उन्हें दिए हैं, कि आतंकी अफजल को छुड़ाने के लिए जो याचिका जाती है उसमें आतिशी मार लेना के माता पिता हस्ताक्षर करते हैं राष्ट्रपति को, उसके पक्ष में जाके खड़े होते हैं, उसके लिए प्रार्थना करते हैं। तो जिस मुख्यमंत्री के माता पिता खुद आतंकियों के मददगार रहे हों तो वो उनके मुंह से दाऊद शब्द सुनना कोई मुझे अनोखा नहीं लगता।
Tetri continues to be with us on the broadcast. Every single day we see the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP exchange trade barbs, and this time around it's the farmers issue. Shivraj Singh Chauhan reminding the AAP of implementing the schemes and the Chief Minister of the National Capital hitting back, equating the BJP speaking about farmers to Dawood speaking about non-violence.
Well, you see, it seems like just ahead of Delhi elections, war of words continue. Earlier, it was between the LG and till now, in fact, I should say it was between the LG and the Delhi Chief Minister, and now it is escalated between the Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan and the Chief Minister Atishi, where first letter was written by Shivraj Singh Chauhan, the Agriculture Minister, pointing out that the Aam Aadmi Party has done nothing for the farmers, and not just that, he has also in fact stated that Aam Aadmi Party has stopped all the schemes of the centres that were meant for the farmers, and Aam Aadmi Party is not working for the welfare of the farmers. And on the other hand, we saw that there was also a reply from Aam Aadmi Party, and in fact the Chief Minister herself responded to the letter that was written by Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and in fact in that particular letter it was in fact a very sharp reply, where in the first line itself the Chief Minister stated that BJP talking about farmers is something like talking about non-violence to Dawood Ibrahim. So that was a very sharp comparison that was done by the Chief Minister. And then we also also saw that that Atishi further mentioned that farmers have been protesting for more than a year and nothing has been done so far by the BJP. She also later mentions about the protest going on at the Punjab-Haryana border and farmers protesting, not just protesting but also sitting at the hunger strike.
Tejashree,
And
stay on
later
with us. We have some breaking inputs coming in. Posters, polls and politics. That's what